Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And children, can you see me? And clear?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
form is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children, we are
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
start new chapter today. Chapter.
Addition and subtraction.
What's that?
Addition and subtraction.
Addition and subtraction.
Subtraction.
Is there any need to teach addition and subtraction?
No, ma'am.
Yes, because
No,
I
ma'am.
think we are learning this addition and subtraction from how many years? Yes.
I'm
I
LKG.
think
LKG.
LKG.
completed addition and subtraction last
Okay, okay. So children, I will say generally the mistakes. Okay, first let me mute. We'll start the. So children, I think there is nothing to teach addition and subtraction. All the children, they know very well, but they will make some careless mistakes. Even we are learning this from our KG classes. So what you have to do? So before start adding, what you have to do? You have to arrange the numbers one below the other. Okay, one below the other according to the place. Okay, now it's a ones, tens, 100. You have to arrange the numbers one below the other, or we can have to arrange them vertically. Okay, so we can say that is vertical addition. Also, okay. So when we are adding, what you have to do? You have to arrange them like vertical or column addition. Okay, vertical or column. One, that is one number below that other number, second number. And how to place according to the place values. One's now digit, that digit of the two numbers, the same digits should be placed one below the other. And tens place has to be placed according to the place values. Okay, so first step is to arrange the numbers vertically, or we can say column method. And some numbers, there will not be any carryover. And if it is more than 9, you have to place to the next place value. All this you know, no carryover. Yes, carryover. And in subtraction, what you have to be take care of? That means the number, if we say subtract 10 from 20, after from that big number, we have to subtract the numbers from the bigger numbers. So which number you have to write on the top? Big numbers. Then we had to place the small number below. Understood? Then where you will make mistakes for borrow. If the number on the top is small, what you have to do? If the number on the top is small, you have to borrow. Okay? These are the general things you have to take care of while you are doing addition and subtraction. Is there any doubt for anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay?
No, ma'am.
So,
No,
the
ma'am.
thing is that everyone know addition and subtraction. Still, they will make mistakes because of the careless. Because they are not. So, what do you have to do? You have to
Be careful.
first place the number one below the other according to the place value. Okay? Then, if there is a carryover, you have to take this carryover to the next place value. And in case of subtraction, if the number on the top is small, what you have to do? You have to go and borrow from the next place. Okay, so we will take out your rough book, all of you. You have the rough book with you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rough book, yes? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I will give you some 5-digit number only, because we have studied in the last year till 5-digit. Then this year, after 5-digit, that is 10,000, we have lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. But we have to practice some questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is that?
And this year there will be lakhs, addition and subtract.
Yes. Addition.
Subtraction also?
Because we are, yes, because we are learning. We know already addition and subtraction of till 10,000 place last year. And this year we are learning
Yes, ma'am.
lakh, 10 lakh, crore and all. So we have to add big numbers, large,
Okay, ma'am.
but you have to be careful when you are doing. Okay, children. So I will give you some questions you have to do alone. Children, can you see the board? Anandesh, please unmute and speak. Anandesh, please unmute. Agnay, please unmute and speak whether you can you see the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first I'm going to give you some 5-digit numbers addition. I'll take. Okay, so 5-digit number we are going to start. 3, 9, 6, 5, 4. We have to add with 1, 2, 3. Now, children, what you have to, I gave you this number. You have to observe what is the number of digits in both numbers. Here we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000, this much only. Here we have ones, tens, 100 only. So from where we have to place the numbers? From ones digit. Is that clear? Children, don't write anything now. I told you now, all the children know addition and subtraction because you are learning this from LKG. And even still the children will make mistakes because they first step is to place the number according to the place value from the ones place. So how we can write these numbers? 3, 9, 6, 5, 4. And I will not start 1, 2, 3 from right left side. I will start from the ones place where you know this. You have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, this is the place. And here we have till 100 place only. So how to we will write? We have to place the number one below the other according to their place. Now you can add. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, you can do this now. There is no carryover. I have given you simple question to make you understand that how to place the number. We have to place the number from ones digit, not from the, here it is not from the thousands place. If you write the number like that, then your answer will be wrong. And here how you have to write the, place the numbers from the ones place. Okay, now do.
Finished.
Okay, Tanya, please unmute and speak. Tell me the answer. 3 plus 4. Tanya, please unmute. Are you able to hear, Tanya? Okay, okay. I think you are using two device, maybe. Yes, Gautam, please unmute and speak. Please unmute. Okay, Anusri, please unmute.
Ma'am, I need to unmute. 39,770.
Okay, start from here. 4 plus 3.
4 plus 3 is equal to 7.
7. 5 plus 2.
5 plus 2 is equal to 7.
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1 is equal to 7.
Now here nothing is there. Nothing. So you can directly write the number. 9
and 3.
And now I will place this number after 3 digit the comma. So how you will read this number? 39,777. So children, only thing you have to be careful here to place the numbers according to their place values. Okay. So here we are going to place first according the place values. Okay.
Ma'am, can
Now-
I mute?
Huh?
Can I mute?
Yes, yes. Okay, now do this number. We have all the two numbers have the same number of digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Then what will be coming? Isha,
Lakhs.
after, please unmute and speak. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000?
Then lakhs.
Lakh. Okay. So here 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. Okay, children. Do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Adil, can you please unmute? Adil.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
We will do together. Tell me 7 plus 2,
7 plus 2, 9.
9. Okay, 7 plus 2. The answer is 9. Okay. 6 plus 6. The doubles.
12.
Adil,
12.
I think some connectivity issue for Adil. It's not clear. Alok, please unmute.
Ma'am, I was late, so is this question in the workbook?
No, no. We are writing in the rough book. We are just revising addition, subtraction. Okay. We are not using now. Can you say this answer now? No problem. You know addition. Yes? Yes? Is network issue? Dia, please unmute and speak. Dia.
Yes, ma'am.
6 plus 6.
Ma'am, 12.
12. So I will keep
So,
2 here and 1 carry over. Yes?
over.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 is carry over. Now 1 plus 9 you can use together because that easy to add. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7.
10 plus 7.
Huh?
Ma'am, 17.
17. So I will keep here 7. Then 1 again to the next.
1 carry over.
These are very good. 1 plus 9.
9 plus, it's 10.
10 plus 3.
13.
13.
Carry over. They are
Carry over
the
1. 1 plus 8.
9.
9 plus 4. 1 minute. Who is speaking? 1 minute. 9 plus 4. 13. 13. 1
Carry
carry
over.
over.
1
1 plus 4. 7.
5.
No, 1 plus 4. 5 plus
4,
3.
5. 8.
8. Okay. Now how to place the comma after 1, 2, 3 digits. Then 1, 2, 2 digits. Yes?
1, 2, 2. Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the number name? It's 8 is in lakhs place.
8 lakh
8 lakh 33,729.
729.
Okay. So 8 lakh 33,729. Yes. Who was calling me in between?
Alok, ma'am.
I think Alok had some connectivity issues. So children, is there any doubt for this addition? Here we are using 1 lakh. Now, lakh, after I will give you one question with the 8th digit. Can we do one question with the 8th digit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We are doing all this in the rough book only. After practicing more questions, then only we will start with the workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Richard, please unmute and tell me, can you see the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we are going to write the numbers 3, now ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Now I have 10 lakh and crore. 6, 9. Okay. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. So that means crore. This number is 6 crore 93 lakh 43,456. Okay. So children, write this number without any mistake. Here we have 8 digits. That is that place value start with crore. Then we have 10 lakh, 1,000 and 10,000, 100 tens and ones. Try to do this alone. John Sebi, please unmute. John Sebi. Please unmute. John. Please unmute. Anina, please unmute. Anina. Anina, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we do this question together?
Ma'am.
Okay. 6 plus 4,
6 plus 4, 10.
10. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So I'll keep here 0 and 1 on the top. Okay. Now start. If there is 9, take that 9 plus 1 first. Then it will be easy for you. 1 plus 9,
1 is 10.
10. 10 plus 5, 15. Yes? Okay. Carry over. Okay. Then 6 plus 4, easy. 10. 10 plus 1,
10 plus 1, 11.
6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So we'll write here, then 1 carry over. Okay. 1, then add 1 plus 3,
4,
4 plus 5,
9,
9. Say louder. 8 plus 4,
12,
12. So we will write 2 here, 1 carry over. Okay. 1 plus 3,
4,
4 plus 4,
8,
8. Okay. What about 9 plus 3,
12,
12. 2 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 6,
7,
7 plus 1,
8.
8. Okay. So before saying this number name, you have to place the commas from the right side. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, then every two digits. So how to read the answer, Bharadwaj? Please unmute and speak, Bharadwaj. How to read the answer? Please unmute. Not able to do that. Daniel, please unmute. Daniel. Can you read the number name? Can you say the number name? 8. 8 in which place? Look at here. 8 is in which place? Crore, no? So how to read? Yes?
8.
8 crore. Then? It's not audible. Ammo, please unmute and read the number. Can you read the number name? Yes. That place value is given here.
Ma'am, can
Louder. Louder.
Ma'am, can I say?
8 crore.
28 lakh.
28 lakh.
29,000.
29,000.
150.
150. Okay, Diya, please unmute. And because there was some audio distraction. Okay, Diya, please unmute and yes, read the number name louder.
8 crore
8 crore
28 lakh
28 lakh
29,000
29,000
150.
150. Okay, so children, this addition of large numbers is the same as we have studied till these years, but only the what you have to remember is the numbers are larger. You have to place according to the place value the two numbers one below the other. Okay, now I hope all of you
Yes, ma'am.
I think some children have connectivity issue, that's why that audio is
Yes, ma'am.
not clear. So children, if you
Yes,
have any connectivity problem now, you can watch the recorded sessions later.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is calling?
Okay, ma'am. You made me unmute.
Ayman.
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot speak now?
Ma'am, I can speak and you told me to unmute.
Now I made everyone unmute. Okay.
Ma'am.
So children, like
Okay,
the
ma'am.
same way, you can add 3 numbers. 3 numbers. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now we have added a subtraction. We will discuss later. We
Okay,
have
ma'am.
added now only 2 numbers. Now the same way we can add 3 numbers. Can we do that now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Now I will give small numbers till 1000.
Ma'am, can you change the whiteboard?
Yes.
Addition.
We are going to add 3 numbers. First one, second one, third one. The same rule. You have to add first 2 numbers. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Like that you have to add. Do alone. Then I will ask.
Ma'am, over.
Over.
I'm over.
Yes.
Can I say?
Who is that? Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All others, please wait. And now, Anthony. Yes, 4 plus 4. Don't say the answer first. We will do the calculation one more time. 4
Ma'am,
plus
3,
4, 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carryover. Yes, Anthony, continue. 1 plus 6.
6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11.
Okay, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, then carryover. Okay,
Carryover.
then
Mm,
plus 9.
1 plus 9, 10. 10
10
plus
plus
2,
2,
12.
12.
12 plus 6,
12 plus
18.
6,
18.
18. Carryover 1.
1 plus 8, 9.
9 plus 3,
12. 12 plus 2, 14.
14.
14.
Carryover 1. 1 plus 3,
1 plus 3, 4.
4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Understood? The same way how we are adding 2 numbers, that same way we can add 3 numbers. Now, Anthony, tell me the number name.
94,812.
94,812, because here we have only 5 digits. So it is 94,812. Because here we have only 5 digits, you know how to say the number name. It will start with a 10,000 place. Is there any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This period we are discussing only addition.
Okay, ma'am.
So next period you have to be ready with workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
All the children. What time?
I have the workbook now. 40.
Okay.
240.
240, ma'am.
240.
I finish addition and subtraction.
Yes, addition, subtraction so fast. All of you know, I think, the subtraction. Only thing you have to brush up means how to place the numbers one below the other, how to take the carryover. Then some children, they will forget to add the carryover. That all mistakes you children, 1 minute, I'm just coming. That all silly mistakes you have to avoid, and you have to increase the speed of adding, because now you are 5th standard. Try to do some combination like 5 plus 5, 10, like doubles.
6 plus 4, 10.
Huh?
6 plus 4, 10. Like that.
6 plus 4, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 2, 9 plus 1, like that combinations. If you will understand, if you practice, then you can add the numbers little more faster. Okay. So when we practice more, we can increase the speed of like these operations, basic operations. See, you know how many basic operations are there? Addition,
Subtraction, multiplication,
Okay.
division.
all the children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Richard.
In
Yes.
which class we will study board mass?
Board mass.
Yes.
Wait.
I
Board mass
already
and all
studied.
maybe next year, I think.
I already studied.
Okay. So children, what you have to do? These basic operations, this addition and subtraction, we are dealing with this. And multiplication, all the children try to study this multiplication. I know you people have studied all the tables, but try to revise in between. Whenever you are getting time, please to try
Okay,
to
ma'am.
study all the multiplication table, then you will get that fast
Okay, ma'am.
doing multiplication also,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
division. This
Okay, ma'am.
basic 4 basic operation, multiplication. First we are starting with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have to be very thorough, and you have to be little more faster, and you have to do without any mistakes. Okay, so these basic operations, if you are thorough with, you can do in all the classes. It's very important. Not in classes, even in our daily life, these basic operations very important. Okay, children.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, subtraction when it becomes 600 ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, subtraction we will discuss in the next period. Okay, Angelina, bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.